What if Amazon can tell you what you should be selling on the Amazon platform? In this video, I'm going to show you the product opportunity feature, which you can find right now in your Amazon Seller Central. If you're currently selling products on Amazon and you want to expand, you want to add more products, normally what you will do is you'll do just product research from zero. You might look at the bestseller list, for example, and try to analyze. You might use tools such as Helium 10 to try to analyze the opportunity and potential search volume on Amazon. And you might also look at the frequently bought together box, which you find normally inside of your product page. But right now, Amazon has recently launched a new feature called the product opportunity feature, which is tailor-made for you as a seller. The product opportunity feature looks at the current demand of products by Amazon customers on Amazon and also looks at your current listings and provides you products that is a suggestion for you to sell. Let's explore. Hold on, before we jump to the computer, make sure that you like this video, you subscribe to the channel, and you leave me a comment in the comment section below with any of your questions. If you want to work with the Amazon Sellers Society and you want our support with launching your very own business on Amazon, make sure that you reach out to us on our website, check it out, and you'll also be able to book a call with our team. So here's the product suggestions or the product opportunity dashboard inside of your Amazon Seller Central. You'll find that it's actually divided into two separate sections, the product sections as well as the trending brands. These products are displayed inside of the product suggestions based on the categories that you are currently selling in. So it makes sense because you'll be able to basically expand inside the category that you're currently selling in. But you can also look at multiple categories and different suggestions as well. The cool thing about this is that most of these products, by the way, if you can see, you can just immediately start selling them as you can sell them as a reseller, such as this product. You just simply click here, sell this product, and just immediately sell this product on Amazon. Now let's analyze the same exact product that we just saw. This is a really good product because it's actually being sold from the US directly. So potentially getting a type of product like this and selling it directly on Amazon in the UAE might be interesting. It might be a product that has a lot of potential, has a lot of demand, and maybe if you analyze a little bit further, you'll find that it does not have a lot of competition, so it might be something that you're interested to sell. Now, going back to this dashboard, as you can see, you can click on trending brands, and Amazon will suggest the brands that are trending online on the marketplace, as well as what products are trending. However, this time, when you click Add Products, it's going to send you to the standard Add Your Product to the Catalog page. Trending brands is interesting because it lets you know exactly what products are trending and what brands are trending for those products as well. So you can do further research, especially if you want to sell as private label. Now, if you're wondering, should you be selling more than one product on Amazon? The answer is absolutely yes. If you look at traditional businesses like a clothing store or a supermarket or a coffee shop, very rarely do you find that they sell only one product. They might be focused on a certain category, like coffee, for example, but they do also sell different items to cater to a larger audience. And that's exactly what you want to do, especially if you're selling in the Middle East market, which is somewhat of a smaller market in comparison to other larger markets like North America as well as Europe. You want to make sure that you have a healthy portfolio of products, and you also want to make sure that you don't actually sell in the same niche. Again, this is in particular if you're selling in the Middle East. You want to diversify the type of customers that might be willing to buy from your store. So try not to sell the same exact product in multiple variations, because then you're only reducing the opportunity and reducing the amount of customers that might be potentially interested interested in your product. I hope this was helpful. If you want to learn a little bit more information about how you can use tools like Helium 10, make sure that you check out this video right now, and I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye!